This video is for you who wants to make extra income just by using an application or by just going on the website, just watching videos and then just making some extra income even as you do that. So in this video, I'm going to be listing 5 application and website application for plus website which you can actually visit maybe every day or when you are free, or when you're less busy. This application or website, you can actually go to them and just do some little things, watch some videos, and then you earn some cash with actually what you are doing. So I'm going to be listing 5 of them, and I have a surprise for you. Actually, I'm not going to leak that, but I'm going to be listing 5 of them, and then you will decide if you would like to try any of them and then see what you can actually earn from them. So these 5 of them, they are legit. People have used them, and I've used some of them also. And yes, you can actually earn from this particular website and application just by watching video. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you as usual because I love to show you. I don't just want to talk, I want to show you. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and then we'll go through them one after the other. I'm not going to be spending so much time of this video. I'm just going to be showing you the website, and then we'll go through them one after the other, and yep, and then you will decide for yourself um, if you actually want to try them out or not. So I believe you can see my screen right now. And the first website which I'll be going to be showing you is called mypoint.com. So on this particular website, just as I said, you can watch videos, you can also do some surveys and also shoppings, and of course you can also play games, and then you get points while you do these activities, and then these activities you can convert them to gift card or also paper money, and then you can cash them out. And the second website which I'm going to be talking about is Cash Karma. Cash Karma is almost exactly like my point. It's almost the same thing. It's almost the same way. You watch videos, you get points, and then you convert this point into money. The good thing about it is that you can do it on your mobile phone. You don't need to be on your PC every time, so you can do it on your mobile phone, and you can just do it maybe when you're less busy, or even while you're working, you just use one hand to screw about these things. And yeah, and the third one which I'm going to be talking about is feature point. So feature point is almost exactly like the same thing, and in feature points you also play games. You play games, and while you play games you also can watch videos, as you can see on the website here. You also can watch videos, and then in these videos you can convert this video which you've watched and the points which you get, you can redeem with points, or also get gift card, Amazon gift card, Xbox gift card, or paper money, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and which you can redeem and then cash out your points for money. So I think that's 3 websites and apps I've mentioned so far. So you can also do it by hitting the like and the subscribe button on this video for these videos to get to many people. I appreciate your support so far. So let's go to the fourth one. And the fourth one, which is actually very popular, is Cointeply. This is very popular. If you don't know about this, if you don't know about them already, then I don't know what you've been searching on the internet, but they are so popular because you can just complete tasks, you can play games and earn coins. And of course our focus is on video. You can also watch video with them. You can watch video with them also. You can also take some surveys, complete some offers, and at the same time you can withdraw your money through paper, and also you can earn points and everything. They are really so popular. And yes, so I told you I'm going to be giving you a surprise at the end of the video, so wait for that. We are almost at the end of the video. I'm going to be telling you the surprise, and this one you can actually earn up to $100. And this one I'm not capping because I've used it, and 100% I can tell you will also make this in a week actually. So let's jump to the fifth one, and then I will take you to the bonus. And so the fifth website slash application, because you can download the app or you can use them on the browser, is Swagbox. Swagbox is actually very popular also. I believe you might have heard about them one way or the other because they are really so popular. So Swagbox, also you can take surveys, You can watch video and you can see their ratings here on Trustpilot. Of course, if a website should make to the Trustpilot, you know they are jealous. So you can see their verification here and ratings here on Trustpilot, and you can see some testimonies of people like this person in ABC News says you can do this on your company or your computer or phone instead of misleading scrolling, or instead of mindlessly, pardon my English, scrolling through social media. You might as well earn a little bit of cash. So nobody's promised you that you are going to just boom, you are going to earn billions from this, but you can earn a little bit of cash which you can just use to sort out one or two things and put those storms to good use. Instead of just scrolling through social media, through Instagram, you can just watch some videos with those ends and then you earn a little bit. So Swagboss is very popular, and you can see the company which they have affiliates with: Amazon, Best Buy, the Home Depot. As many of them, you can see them here. You can go to their website to read more. You can watch video, you can play games, you can take survey, and they pay really, really well. Not, like I said, to the extreme, but it's something which you might like to check out. So I've listed 5 websites for you / application. I mentioned My Point, I mentioned Cash Karma, I mentioned Future Point, I mentioned Cointeply, and the last one which I actually mentioned is Swagboss. So here is my bonus for you, and my bonus for you is called Telos International. So this is not your regular application or your regular website which you might just go to earn some little bit of point. This one you can really do a full-time job with them. So I remember while I was a student, I got a job from them. It's called ad rating. So I was rating adverts on social media. So every day I get up to 20 adverts on social media. And so these adverts are not adverts that are already published yet on social media. So I got them on Instagram, and my job is for me to just rate the advert based on my honest opinion. So I will answer if the advert is informative, if it's really giving the right information, what needs to be changed, if it's beautiful enough, if it's catchy enough. And then I was actually earning up to $100 while I was studying then. Yeah, because I get advert every day, almost every day. So they did this program for I think 6 months. I can't really remember, and then they were paying almost every week then, which was actually very, very good. So this one I cannot tell you can really earn for them. And the good thing about them is not just that you're just going to get some little bit of cash. You can do a full-time job with them. So you can come on their website, choose your location where you are, say the jobs which they offer. You can also do remote job with them, like anywhere you are on the continent. You can come to their website, check for some of their remote job. They have service desk job. Everything is available on their website, remote job, and then you can apply to them, submit your CV, and then you get a full-time job with them, and they are really, really paying well. So this is just my bonus for you. I believe you left something from this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the share and subscribe button, and of course I'll catch you in the very next one. My name is Akere, as you know, and peace out.